Hello student, in the last lecture we discussed about the aldol condensation reaction, cross aldol condensation reaction, Cannizzaro reaction, cross Cannizzaro reaction, the oxidation and reduction reaction of aldehydes and ketones, Clemmensen reaction, Wolff-Kishner reaction, the electronic substitution reaction. Also we see the chemical properties of carboxylic acid, and last we see the acidic character of carboxylic acid. Today we start new point, the influence of electronic effects on acidity of carboxylic acid. All the carboxylic acid do not have the same pK value. The structure of R in RCOOH has influence on the acid strength of carboxylic acid. The various haloacidic acid illustrate this point very well. The halogens are electronegative atom and exerts electron withdrawing inductive effect, which is -I effect. The negativity charge carboxylate ion in the conjugate base of haloacetic acid gets stabilized by -I effect of halogen, which is responsible to diffuse the negative charge. The higher electronegativity of halogen, greater is the stabilization of the conjugate base. The stronger is the acid and smaller is the pK value. The pK value is increases and acid strength of the acid is decreases. The next point is the acidity of aromatic carboxylic acid. The benzoic acid is the simplest aromatic acid. From the pK value of benzoic acid, we understand that it is stronger than acetic acid. The sp2 habit carbon of aromatic ring exerts electron withdrawing inductive effect, that is -I effect, which stabilizes the conjugate base and increases the acid strength of the aromatic acid. The electron plays important role in acidity of carboxylic acid, which are pi electron. The negative charge of the carboxylate ion is shared by the two carboxylate oxygen atom, which cannot be effectively delocalized by aromatic ring. The acidity of influence by inductive effect. In this chart, the illustrates that more the number of electron withdrawing substituents, higher is the acid strength. The monochloroacetic acid, the pK value is 2.86. Dichloroacetic acid has pK value is 1.26, and trichloroacetic acid is the pK value is 0.6, which are in decreasing order, and the acid strength are increases. The electron withdrawing groups like Cl, Cn and NO2 increase the acidity of substituted benzoic acids, while electron donating group like CH3, OH, OCH3 and NH2 decreases the acidity of substituted benzoic acid. The 4-nitrobenzoic acid has a pK value is 3.41. The benzoic acid has a pK value is 4.2. The 4-methylbenzoic acid has a pK value is 4.4. The electron withdrawing groups, for example NO2 the acid strength while electron donating groups, example alkyl, which decreases the acid strength. Effects are strongest for substituents in the ortho and para positions. The next reaction is the formation of acyl chloride. Reaction with PCl3, PCl5, SOCl2. The carboxylic acid on heating with PCl3, PCl5, SOCl2 give the corresponding acyl chlorides. Thionyl chloride, that is SOCl2, is preferred because the byproducts formed are in gaseous state, so they can easily escape from the reaction mixture. In this reaction, the OH group of COOH is replaced by Cl. The carboxylic acid is react with thionyl chloride. After heating the product, we form the acyl chloride plus SO2 plus HCl, and the 3 RCOH plus PCl3 after heating gives 3 RCOCl plus POH thrice. The carboxylic acid is react with PCl5. After heating the product is RCOCl plus POCl3 plus HCl. Next reaction is reaction with ammonia, the formation of amides. The carboxylic acid react with ammonia to form ammonium carboxylate salt, which on further strong heating at high temperature decomposes to give acid amide. The carboxylic acid is react with amine. After the dehydrating reagent, the yield of the reaction, which is amide plus water. The alpha bromo nitroalkane, which is the source of electron rich anions, plus N-iodoamine, which gives base, and the acid amides can also be prepared by reaction acid chloride with ammonia. The acid chloride react with ammonia to give acid amide plus hydrochloric acid. In the mono carboxylic acids on heating with strong dehydrating agents like P2O5 concentrated H2SO4, which give acid anhydrides. The reaction is reversible. The anhydrides are readily hydrolyzed back to acids on reaction with water. The carboxylic acid at equilibrium, which is gives acid anhydride. For the better yield of acid anhydride is obtained by heating sodium carboxylate with acyl chloride. Sodium carboxylate is react with acid chloride gives acid anhydride plus NaCl. The acyl chloride and sodium salt of acid are prepared by reacting carboxylic acid separately with thionyl chloride and sodium hydroxide respectively. The product which are formed anhydrides plus sodium chloride. The next reaction is the decarboxylation of carboxylic acids. The sodium salt of carboxylic acids on heating with soda lime to give hydrocarbons which contain one carbon atom less than the carboxylic acid. For example, the sodium salt which is react with NaOH in presence of soda lime gives the hydrocarbons. The sodium acetate is react with sodium hydroxide in presence of soda lime which gives methane plus Na2CO3. We take a last point in this chapter, that is the reduction of carboxylic acid. The carboxylic acids are reduced to primary alcohols by powerful reducing agents like lithium aluminum hydride. Carboxylic acid can also be reduced by diborane. Diborane does not reduce COOR, Na2X, the sodium borohydride NaBH4 which does not reduce COOH group. We recall the points in this lecture. We take a influence of electronic effect on acidity of carboxylic acid, then the acidity of aromatic carboxylic acids. In this, the pK value of chloroacetic acid is taken, and we see about the formation of acyl chloride, the reaction with PCl3, PCl5 and SOCl2. After we take a reaction with ammonia, in which the formation of amides and the decarboxylation of carboxylic acid, and last we see the reduction of carboxylic acid. Thank you.